Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get shorten link URL link on your Google form. So for example, if you create a form and after that you need to send this form link to your friend or audience or customer or whoever you want. So what you need to do, you need to click here send. Like if you this is the full URL, but if you want to make it shortened, how can you make the shortened link URL? So click the send option, and you can see the second option. Click here, and by default it's your full link. If you click the check box, then you can see now it's a shortened link, shortened URL link. So now copy it. So if you check now how it looks like, so you can see short links. If someone enter this, then they will see here like this. So this way you can get the shortened URL link on your Google form. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.